you can't have a career when it comes to betting. You can't have a career, no. Hello guys, welcome to the Trader Nixon channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video, make sure you like this video. Today, we deal with the pros and cons on sports betting and day trading. And day trading, I mean forex or stocks or crypto. Which one is the best to venture into? So let's first of all go to winners and losers. Now, when you come to winners and losers, on sports betting, we have winners, we have losers. When it comes to day trading, we also have winners and losers. All right, you can place a bet and then you can lose on that bet. You can place a trade, you can lose on the trade. You can place a bet, you can win on the bet. You can place a trade and win on the trade. It all has that kind of loser and winner kind of thing, you understand? So let's go to accounts. So when it comes to sports betting, you open an account with the bookmakers, you deposit, you can link your MTN, Momo, Vodafone, your Visa, you make a deposit, and then you can start betting on these sporting activities. And then when it comes to day trading, you can also open an account with brokerage firm. And please, I mean a licensed brokerage firm, and place a trade on their platform. Guys, you have to notice this. Now, I have noticed that people have created an account with bookmakers to bet on sporting activities, and they won their bet and their money was not paid. All right, in 2018, I'll show you an article in this video. A guy from Ghana won, is it $50 million or so? And then they never paid the guy. So you have to be aware of that. Third on the list, when it comes to sports betting, no skills are required, and that makes it gambling. No skills are required. You just pick your phone, you pick your laptop, you go into any bookmaker website, you create an account, and then you pick your choice of odds, and then you start placing bets. No skills are required. That makes it pure gambling. Pure gambling. Now let's go to forex trading or day trading. So when it comes to day trading, skills are required. 100% of skills are required. You know, you don't want to jump onto any broker, create an account, and start trading while you don't have knowledge on trading. You have to first of all have an education on trading. Even on brokers, before you open an account with any broker, you have to first of all learn about the broker, the kind of spread that they provide and all that. Like, you have to learn a lot before you open an account. But unlike sports betting, you just open an account and then you start placing your bet, and it is crazy. That is pure gambling. Pure gambling. So forex trading is skill-based. You first of all have to acquire some skills. When you acquire the skills, before you can venture into it, and it is clean and clear. Now let's go to the next point, reward to risk. I call it reward to risk. So what is reward to risk? Reward to risk here, I mean, okay, you have a 1 cedi, you place a bet on Sportybet or Betway, whatever. You place a bet that is going to return you maybe 40 cedis. So that is 1:40. All right, 1:40, and that is crazy amount of returns. So if you place a bet of 1 cedi and you win 1 cedi as a reward, or the returns is 1 cedi, that is 100% returns on your investment, which is 1 cedi. But if it's the reward is 2 cedis, now you have made 200% returns. All right, you have made 200% returns. So that is a risk to reward of 1:2. And the same thing applies to forex. If you place, let's say, a trade with 1 cedi and you are going to win 1 cedi, that is 1:1 risk to reward ratio. And if it's 1 cedi to win 2 cedis, 1:2 reward ratio. So this kind of some similarities when it comes to sports betting and then forex trading. All right, these are similarities when it comes to this. So this is reward to risk ratio. So I'll give you some picks to show when it comes to reward to risk on forex, and I'll make sure I also show you something when it comes to reward to risk when it comes to betting. All right, let's go to the next point. no career opportunity. Or let's say career opportunity, please. Career opportunity. So when it comes to sports betting, betting is not a career. You can't have a career out of betting. If you say I'm lying, ask anybody who is currently betting now. Ask the youth of Ghana, ask the youth of Nigeria, ask the youth in Africa, ask the youth in the world. Ask everybody. You can't create a career then they ask you, what do you do for a living? Then you say, okay, I am a bettor or I am a gambler. No, you can't have a career when it comes to betting. You can't have a career. No, you understand? So that is a kind of downside when it comes to betting. That's a downside when it comes to sports betting, and you don't want to be betting and not have a career out of it. You understand? That is one major downside when it comes to betting, and it is very, very crazy. Now, let's come to forex. You can have a career out of forex. You can have a business. Forex is a business. People treat it like that. When you approach forex with a gambling attitude or a gambling mentality, you fail at it. But when you approach forex with the mindset of a business, you treat it as a business. You take 1, 2, 3 trades or 1, 2 trades per day, and when it's a winner, that's fine. When it's a loser, you stop. Next day you approach it, and then you also give, kind of attention to risk management. It is very, very important that you take notice of this, so you can have a career out of forex. You can even teach people. That is a mentorship career. You can teach people when it comes to forex trading. Okay, this is how we do it. This is how you can make money. This is this. This is that. This is this. But you can't go and teach somebody about how to bet. When the person picks their phone, they know the odds. They know what to do, and that is it. It is not a skill base, but forex is skill based, or day trading is skill based. Put it at the back of your mind, please. Put it at the back of your mind. Now, let's go to take profits and break evens. Now, when you come to betting or sports betting, they call something cash out. They call something cash out. And this cash out, only the bookmaker can decide when to give you cash out. Only the bookmaker can decide when to give you cash out. And so when you place a bet and the bet is even doing well, or you are having winning streaks in the bet, and then your bookmaker have not yet decided to give you cash out, you can't cash out. And sometimes they allow cash out for you, they give you cash out, and then they give you just some small amount of your money, which is very bad. That is like a downside to betting, which is crazy. And now let's come to day trading. So day trading, we have break even and take profit and stop loss. You understand? When it comes to trading, when you place a trade, you can decide to place a stop loss. You say, okay, when price hits this particular level in the market, I want to accept loss and get out of the trade. Then we call something take profit. So you can also set your take profit. You say, okay, when price moves, when I place a trade and price moves from this particular level to that level, I want to take my profit and stop trading. You understand? And we call something break even. When you place a trade and then your trade is in profit but has not yet hit your take profit, you can move your stop loss to break even. Can betting give you this opportunity? No. Bet can never give you this opportunity. Only trading. So these are the pros and cons. These are the pros and cons, and it is beautiful. Now you can place a bet, and then the last minute, maybe you want the outcome of this particular game or match to be draw, and they are playing 0-0. 90th minute, 90th plus minute, then the opponent or one team scores 1 goal, and then your draw bet comes to an end. You are a loser on that particular game. But when it comes to forex, you can place a trade, and when the trade is running in profit, you can move your stop loss to break even, meaning you are no longer losing anything. Even if this trade comes to hit your break even, you are cool. But it's not like that with betting. You can place a bet, like I said, for a draw, and then the game will be playing at the 90th minute on a draw, and then 90 plus one team will score, and then the bet will be sabotaged. It's not like that with trading. You can set your take profit at a particular level. Even if the take profit is not yet hit, you can move your stop loss to break even or in some huge profit or small profit without losing anything. This is beautiful on the side of trading. All right, this is so beautiful. Now let's go to the next point: mentors or education. Now when it comes to betting, we don't have any mentors in the game. It is pure gambling. Everybody is doing what they want to do. Everybody is freaking doing whatever they want to do. Nobody is controlling the space. We don't have any education. When someone takes their phone, they want to do what? They want to play some bet. No education. But when it comes to forex or when it comes to day trading, education is key. So we have mentors, we have some gurus in the game you can approach. You can have a course, you can buy a course, you can purchase a course, and within 1, 2, 3 years, trust me, you are going to gather a lot of information that is going to make you profitable in the long run. You are going to gather some information that is going to make you profitable in the long run.